Day 15, Chesed B'Tiferet, kindness in harmony. Hello, ladies. We've entered the third week of Sfirat HaOmer. Tiferet, harmony, is the underlying attribute for the third week. When Chesed, kindness, and Gevurah, discipline, are in balance, you will see on the Sfirot model that they converge into the center column, and it transforms into the attribute of harmony, Tiferet. You will also notice that Tiferet is in the center of the entire model. When the other attributes above and below Tiferet are moving up and down through these energies, they all converge into Tiferet. Tiferet is commonly identified with Torah because proper observance of the mitzvot of the Torah leads to harmony. Day 15 is kindness in harmony. We know that being kind and doing kind things are considered very important. However, it's also important to understand in what form will the kindness be that is appropriate to the circumstances. Sometimes the kindness is to say yes. Other times the kindness is to say no. Saying yes can sometimes be disempowering, and saying no can be very empowering. If you give too much, then you can drain your energies at the expense of your other priorities. It's about a flow. It's about balance. It's about being at your best and knowing when it's appropriate to take some steps back at the right times in the right amounts. Remember, King Shlomo says everything has a time and a season. The exercise for Chesed B'Tiferet is ask yourself, are you giving in order to impress, even though it would be best to allow the person to find their own way? Is giving really benefiting the recipient, or is it stroking your ego? If you trust your intuition to say yes and no at the proper times, then your relationships actually get healthier. Make a commitment to find the balance in your life. And remember, take baby steps, because this is a process. And this process is a journey, not an event. Thank you. Chodesh Tov. Please like, comment, and subscribe.